Ashes 2025-26 series preview. 1. Background and stakes. The series runs from 21st of 2025 to 8th of Jan of 2026. Wikipedia, it's part of the ICC World Test Championship, making each test not just about legacy but also points. Wikipedia, historically, Australia has dominated at home. The Times of India, England's last Ashes series win in Australia was in 2010-11. India Today, 2. Team strengths and key players. Australia bowling traditionally strong, but their pace attack is being tested. Pat Cummins is injured for the first test. India Today, captaincy, without Cummins, Steve Smith will lead initially. Wikipedia, batting, Smith remains a central figure, but there is some uncertainty in the top order. ABC, depth concerns. Injury to Josh Hazlewood weakens their seam options. India Today, England, baseball philosophy. Under Brendan McCullum and Ben Stokes, England plays aggressively. This could be a big strength if they execute. RightSpotter.com, batting depth. Key batters include Joe Root, Brooke, Zach Crawley, and Stokes of RightSpotter.com. Pace attack. England has raw pace, e.g. Mark Wood, which can be potent in Australian conditions, but fitness is always a concern. ABC, risk, high-risk style. If their batting collapses, baseball could backfire. RightSpotter.com. 3. Major concerns and challenges. For Australia, injury worries, especially with Cummins and Hazlewood, could hurt their balance. India Today, their top order isn't fully settled, which is surprising for a home Ashes side. ABC, for England, their pace bowling depth is untested in long Ashes conditions. ABC, while baseball is exciting, sustaining it across a 5-test series in Australia is tough. RightSpotter.com, historically, players like Joe Root haven't dominated in Australian conditions. The Times of India. 4. Head-to-head stats and historical context. Total tests played between the two, 361. ABP Live, Australia has won 152 of these, England 112, and 97 ended in a draw. ABP Live, Australia's home dominance is significant. England has often struggled on Aussie soil. The Times of India, in the 2023 Ashes in England, the series ended 2-2, so England retains the earn. Wikipedia, 5, predictions and what to watch for. Michael Vaughan, former England captain, predicts something like a 2-2 draw, but with England possibly taking a win in Perth. Cricket Times, Steve O'Keefe, former Australian, is more bullish on England, tipping a 3-2 series win for England based on their pace attack. News.com.au, key matchups will be 1. Aussie batting versus English pace. Can England's quicks exploit any cracks in Australia's batting? 2. Baseball versus discipline. If England goes aggressive, will they be consistent enough in tests? 3. Injuries. How Australia manages without Cummins and how England handles their bowling rotation will be crucial. Why this series is special. It's a classic rivalry.